What's up, Sacramento renters? Are you tired of wasting money on rent? Is your landlord raising rent again? Are you ready to buy your first home? Has your landlord put the home on the market and now you have to move? Have you been on your job 2 years with $55 a year in income and you want to buy your first home? Hi, my name's Kevin Garrett, and I want to invite you out to a free home buying workshop the last Saturday of this month from 10 a.m. to noon. Mark your calendars. This is an important date. It's going to be located at 4600 47th Avenue, Suite 103 in Sacramento, California. Again, it's the last Saturday of this month from 10 a.m. to noon. Mark your calendars now. It's going to be located at Brian's Lincoln's Real Estate in behalf of SnapFi, and come out and discover how you can purchase your first home with less money than the cost to rent another home. Now, many first-time home buyers have purchased a home with less than the cost to rent another home, and you can too. Imagine yourself in a new home. What would that look like? Would that be a beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home? Beautiful kitchen space? Beautiful bathrooms? Or would that be a 4-bedroom home and 2 baths? Newly upmodeled and brand new kitchens with plenty of cooking space, with a huge master bathroom in the bathroom. If you're ready to get approved and pre-approved to purchase your first home, come on out. Mark the date in your calendar, the last Saturday of this month, and attend this free home buying workshop. Again, sponsored by Brian Lincoln Real Estate and SnapFi. Come out to 4600 47th Avenue, Suite 103, the last Saturday of this month. Mark your calendars. Register now. Or simply fill out the form and get on your way to homeownership today.